The installation calls for lithium grease. I particularly like moly grease. It's got better waterproofing performance, and it works a lot better with metal. Just liberally dab this stuff on here. Don't be shy with it. Hold that. Spread around your finger. The whole ball, including the O-ring. Want to get the groove where the spring will sit. Get a good coating on there. Pack it in there real good. A little nipple for the bushing. We're going to reinstall inside the car that it's just below the spring there. You can't miss it. There we go. You can see, remove it. Works its way in there. Got grease plenty all over the place. So we're ready to take it back in the car and get it installed. Now we've got our cut back on, our grease on, ready to install our new short throw shifter. But in order to do this, we're going to have to remove this little white bushing down here, and we'll go out towards the driver's side.
So you're going to take your small screwdriver, you're going to stick it in there, and just gently push it out.
Yep.
And there it is.
Keep it off to the side, and we're going to tap this in with a mallet here in a minute. Okay, Tom.
So
what we need to do is we need to get lined up with that hole that the bushing just came out of.
Right.
At the same time, lining that cup up and get it to lock. So
okay.
The side bushing is the important part. Get it. Here, go down a little bit. There you go.
Right.
Okay. Now go ahead and drop it in there. Should lock in place with the clips.
I just want to make sure they're all in the right spot. I got this lined up properly. Yeah, I do.
Okay. Now I got to get the spring. Hang on. Comes the fun part of the spring. Come back up.
Coming back up.
And pull out real quick.
Completely?
Yeah. This is the fucking hard part. What you need to do, you need to take this groove, the bottom, and line it down there. So down here in this groove, see the groove right here?
Yeah.
Sit it on top. I'm going to lift this up.
I see what you're saying.
And when you get up there, I'm going to move this down, and you should be able to.
So basically what we're trying to do is manipulate that spring so that it comes over the groove on the shifter. It's kind of difficult. Do we get it? Or do I need to back out again?
Hang on a second. Okay, push it in.
Pushing it in. There we go.
You're in business.
We are in business.
Can you put the needle nose pliers back in there? Because the hand was in the way. I didn't totally. So they go right there and you're going to push? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're
Cool.
in.
Got it. Thanks.
And you can see that clearly.
Yeah.
Right there. Okay. So now we are in the game again.
Yes, the hard part is over with. Just want to double check this stuff.
Alright, so now you've finished the biggest pain in the ass part of this whole thing.
Yep. That is definitely the hardest part of it.
Now we're going to clean up a little bit and then move on to the next thing.
Yeah. Okay, now it's time to tap in the white bushing. And the choice of tool here will be the rubber mallet. And don't be gentle. I mean, aim, good whack. You're in business.
Okay, so all the difficult stuff for this install has been done. We've inserted the shifter, put the white bushing back in, and we've restored the shifter pretty much to how it looked when we first popped this thing off. So now it's ready to be tightened down, install your new shift knob, and take it out for a drive.
Okay, now we've got the car back together. The simplest part is completing the knob install. We have a TWM weighted knob, weighs 1.5 pounds. It's billet steel, pretty hefty, and it will counterbalance the shifter. To install it, we got two pieces. This is the depth lock, and this is the actual bushing for the threads. So if you want, you can do it two ways. You can either install the bushing here, or you can install it in here. I generally like to thread it on here. It makes it much easier. And it kind of gives us the ability to test how deep we want the knob to sit. Let's go ahead and hand tighten it. Here comes a special tool. insert the depth lock into this thing. Get it started. Insert the tool. And you want to thread it that's about perfect. I like that.
Well, did the install.
Pretty quick and painless.
Yeah. Painless. Yeah.
We got a good reference now.
Yeah. Definitely get 2 people. You don't want to try it alone. You'll be angry. What do you think? Let's take it out for a spin.
Take it out for a spin.
Let's do it.